adjustment. Let's talk about the science of the adjustment. This is one of our technique mentors at the college adjusting a participant in one of our studies, which I have permission to share. This is what's happening. Okay, when you deliver that adjustment, we're going to get really technical and sciencey about it. We're stretching those paraspinal muscles. It is firing off the muscle spindles and sending a whole bunch of sensory information to the brain. Accurate sensory information. Okay, the brain takes that information in and it learns and processes from that information, and now we've got clear input and we have clear output.